you know how to craft a kitchen, ignoring the back pains
Yes.
and the whole convenience. One thing that every kitchen must have, what would be that suggestion for the audience?
Now, keeping the ladies into picture, I would definitely say the few things which all are over here I have always maximized. But yeah, I would give away with your OTG and the microwave. But the one thing which I really like to have in the kitchen is a set of drawers. And one thing is this, which I really love. Because I feel, it is very, very convenient. Mixer hai, uska, all the utensils are all in one place. So, it's very easy to maintain such things. So that's what I would like to have this one in everybody's kitchen. And that you'll see in everybody's kitchen.
This was Kalpana ma'am talking to us and sharing insights for this kitchen.
Radiance